we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Grelawner 40V Cordless Lawn Mower. Consists of the following features. Effortless mowing for everyday lawn care, designed to make regular yard work easier. This cordless lawn mower combines strong cutting performance with lightweight handling for smooth, comfortable operation. The battery-powered design eliminates gas, cords, and pull starts, giving you a cleaner and simpler mowing experience from start to finish. Adapts to thick or light grass automatically, powered by a 40-volt brushless drive system. The mower intelligently responds to changing lawn conditions by adjusting output when needed. It delivers extra cutting force in dense patches while using energy more efficiently in lighter areas, helping maintain steady performance while maximizing battery use. Cleaner results with less work. The 16-inch cutting deck helps cover ground efficiently, while 5 selectable cutting heights from 1.18 inches to 2.95 inches make it easy to create the lawn finish you want. Whether trimming short summer grass or managing thicker seasonal growth, height changes are quick and convenient. Choose natural mulching or easy cleanup. Leave fine clippings on the lawn to help return nutrients to the soil, or collect grass neatly in the spacious rear bag for a polished look. The generous 14.5-gallon collection capacity reduces interruptions, and the bag fill indicator makes it easy to know when it's time to empty. Light to handle, easy to put away. At just 25.13 pounds, this mower is easier to move, turn, and lift than heavier walk-behind models. Its folding handle design allows upright compact storage, making it a practical fit for garages, sheds, and homes where storage space matters. Built for small to medium yards, with up to 30 minutes of runtime per charge and coverage of approximately 2,300 square feet, this mower is ideal for routine maintenance in residential lawns. Fast charging helps reduce downtime so you can get back to mowing sooner and keep your yard looking neat with less effort. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.